Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make image transparent here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Making an image or images transparent in Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to create overlays, backgrounds, or blended effects in your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can start from a business, social media, education, video, marketing, or print products. But if you want to start from scratch and make your images transparent, just click the create and design option here. In my case, I'm working with this specific design and I'm going to upload an image, right? Not only that, I'm going to upload several images for me to show you how we can make our images or image transparent. Going to the photo right here. Maybe this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. This one. I'm just gonna arrange them accordingly, right? Now, for you to be able to make an image transparent or images transparent, all I'm gonna do is click this. If you right click on this option, there's no option for you to click the or have a transparent effect, right? Instead, click this icon right here beside animate. That's transparency, right? Click on it. You can scrub it going to the back depending on your comfort level. All right, that's that. You can do this by grouping all of them together and click on the transparency. And if you wanted to make them transparent so that you can actually see the view at the back, you can also do that around. Okay, because moving the center left to side decrease the opacity and increase the transparency. And of course, you can adjust it and you'll see the image becoming more transparent in real time, just like what we have here. And again, once you're satisfied with the effect, take a moment to preview your design. If everything looks good, close it, click the upper right corner and download it as an MP4, or if you want to share this to your client, just click on the copy link. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.